Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayla. I'm here for the 12 days of Planmas, and I'm showing you my intentional growth planner, and today is the 10th day of Planmas, and we are going to be going over the yearly future log, which has been inspired by the bullet journal method. If you have not read the book by Ryder Carroll, I think you should. I'm going to write it right here. So good. It's called the bullet journal method. Now, the bullet journal method is a method that Ryder Carroll came up with himself, and he makes it very simplistic. There's different ways to write your daily log and lists and tasks, and he has different templates, and one of them is a future log, and you can do this for the month or for the year. And for him, it's really just writing in a notebook, just pen to paper, getting thoughts out, and it was a way to be more efficient without having to switch planners all the time. And it's a really wonderful method. It's a quick read. Honestly, you can dive into the book into different sections, just finding the ones that serve you. You don't have to read it in order. And you'll find a lot of people on YouTube or Instagram have made their digital planners or their bullet journals very pretty, or they've made them more aesthetic. And I've done that too. You know, I've got cute little graphics here and all of that. But really the bullet journal method was just like a plain notebook with dot pages and a pen. But you can make it whatever you want, and that's the kind of the joy of digital planning, because you can change it up all the time, make it aesthetic or not. And so today I'm going to be showing you this yearly future log template here in GoodNotes. I also have it the planner available for OneNote setup. I've been showing you how to set things up in OneNote just because a lot of you are interested in the functionality in OneNote. It's a little different than GoodNotes. GoodNotes, everything is able to be linked. So like all these words that you see are links in GoodNotes. In OneNote, you have to manually add your pages. And so that's what I've been doing all the last, week, 10 days, showing you how to build your planner. The cool thing about OneNote is there is a little bit different functionality. You can use these really awesome graphics, like the star and the checkbox is very functional. I really like that. And also, because you have to build it, you have more control over what order the pages are in and all of that. So that's really cool. So I'm going to show you how to import my my template into OneNote, but then I'm going to show you how to use it in GoodNotes. If you want the intentional growth planner, it is linked in the description below for both the GoodNotes, for PDF, and for the OneNote templates. It's really a planner to help you personally or professionally develop, and hence the word intentional. Have a plan. And all these templates are meant to help you figure out, like, what's your purpose and how do you want to live every single day and work toward achieving that. And it's all in one spot to help you keep track. So anyways, without further ado, I'm just going to be in the draw mode, the text mode, put my cursor down and hit insert file, because that's where all my templates are saved. And then I'm going to go to the yearly future log page. And this is what it will look like in OneNote. And then I'm going to set picture as background. And then you can go ahead and draw on it. But I'm going to show you the GoodNotes version. So like I said, everything is linked in this planner, so all these different sections, it's really fun. This little leaf takes you to the flat lay of the planner. So if you like GoodNotes and you like the aesthetics, it does look like this. It's in the planning section, and it takes you to this planning landing page, and then you can go to the yearly future log. You can duplicate these pages but using the plus sign and adding the current template. You can copy them and import them in different order. You can move them around here if you select them. So there's a lot of different cool functionality in GoodNotes. I'm using mine in GoodNotes right now, and so I already pre-filled it out. So the yearly future log has boxes for every month, and that is meant to help you think ahead to what's coming up. So for example, I have things like, I'm going to have my leadership toolkit course on sale for the new year. I want to remember that. And then when I'm thinking about January, then when I'm planning January, I'm going to remember that and be able to insert that into our monthly template. So February, we have a Disney trip planned. I'm really excited. I don't know if we're going to be able to go, but we'll see, fingers crossed. So this helps you shape your growth and development around the things that are already happening in your life. Maybe one area and personally you want to develop is finances. So I always have a large car insurance payment due in December and in June. And so what I like to do is save a little bit every single month for that. And it's a huge goal for me. And I feel really good when I can just pay it in cash and I just have it there in my bank account ready to go. And so I have that on my future log because it's important to me. The other thing is I've marked the quarters. So quarter 1 review, 2, 3, and 4. So one really cool thing you can do when you're thinking about your growth and development, personal or professional, is really reflecting on like, how am I doing? And you're going to be doing this on a weekly basis, maybe even a daily basis, even how did the month go? But really in the big scheme of things, you might have a big goal, like I want to complete a course throughout the entire year, or I want to read X amount of books and I want to be able to share about them, whatever your goal is. It's really nice to sit down and do a review. Maybe your professional goal is a business goal, and so you're looking at your metrics or your key performance indicators. Maybe you're having a CEO day or something like that. And so it's really nice to have that, to be able to look ahead. So the idea is to use this template, this yearly future log, fill important dates, birthdays, anniversaries, financial things, work things, whatever your focus is, and then look at this when you're filling out the monthly template. So you can see I have 2 monthly templates in here. I have an undated Sunday and I have an undated Monday. So I just kind of started filling this out for November to show somebody. So a Monday start and a Sunday start. So really that's what you would do. And then, of course, when you're using the monthly template, then you'd go to your weekly template. And I have 2 weekly templates, a 2-pager and a 1-page. So I kind of showed you the 2-page on the first day of Planmas if you want to go check that video out. All right, everybody, I hope this video helps and that you've enjoyed looking at the yearly future log and you've been inspired by the bullet journal method by writer Carol. Again, if you haven't checked it out, you definitely need to. I'll put the link to the book in the description below. It's not an affiliate link. I don't get paid to talk about the book. I just really love the book and it's helped me get more organized and just have a more streamlined way to think about planning for my intentional growth and development. All right, everybody, take care. The next video, I believe, is the mood board and the quote board. Let's just check. Yep. And then for the 12th day of Planmas, we're going to be doing a flip through and a reflection on how this planner works and what I like about it and how I'm excited to use it for 2022. Not used to saying that yet. All right, everyone, take care and have a good one.